Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this episode we are going to do 2.1.3, that is Pancakes. So let's read the assignment first. Karel is the waiter. He needs to deliver a stack of pancakes to the guests on the 2nd, 4th and 6th Avenue. Each stack of pancakes should have 3 pancakes. Create a function called makePancakes to help Karel solve this problem. The world should end up exactly as shown here. Right, okay. Let's start with defining a function. The name of the function is pancakes. Yes, we put the parentheses and open our curly brackets here. So as you can see, when Karel is going to make pancakes, Karel is going to leave 3 balls here. So first we will write put ball and then copy and paste this one 2 more times. In this way. Actually now we have defined make pancakes function. And then let's continue. So as you can see now, first Karel needs to move 1 step ahead and then make pancakes, and then move 2 more steps, make pancakes, move 2 more steps, make pancakes, and then move 1 more step. So we can start with move, and then so when Karel moves 1 step, he's going to leave 3 balls here. So instead of put ball 3 times, we are going to use make pancakes here, and then semicolon, and then we are going to place move 2 times here and then here. So let's see where we are now. Yes, so at this spot exactly, Karel needs to make 3 more pancakes. So we will place make pancakes 1 more time, and then again Karel needs to move 2 more steps here, and then make pancakes, copy and paste, and then move. Yeah, so let's see if our code is going to work. Yes, and that is all for 2.1.3 Pancakes. Thank you so much for watching my channel.